All right, the drink we're about to make is called 3001. So right after you have 3000, you can have your 3001 drink. Hopefully it's not your 3000. Anyways, let's go ahead and start it up here. Add some ice to the glass, and we're going to do half a shot of blue curacao. Love that blue color. And also a half a shot of vodka. There we go. And we're going to follow that up with about a half a shot of tonic water. Or actually, let's do just about a half of a shot. There we go. And then a splash. And also some, oh, nope. Next we're going to use, let's go ahead and fill it with Sprite. Or, I'm sorry, any lemon lime soda will work out perfectly. Okay, and let's give this a mix back and forth. 3001. And let's get a glass set up. Give that beautiful blue beachside drink a pour all the way to the brim. And a straw. And how about an umbrella, too? If you have a pineapple, that's going to look great. But instead, we're just going to have it just like this. Bottoms up.